This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign papers on your iPhone. It's a super convenient way to handle documents on the go. First, open the document you need to sign, whether it's in your Mail app or the Files app. Once open, look for the markup icon, which looks like a pen tip. Tap on it to reveal the editing tools. This is your gateway to adding your signature directly onto the digital page, making document signing quick and effortless. Now that you're in the markup toolbar, tap the plus sign, usually in the bottom right corner, and select Signature. You can then use your finger or an Apple Pencil to draw your signature directly on the screen. If you already have a saved signature, you can select that too. Once drawn, tap Done. Your signature will appear on the document. You can then easily drag it to the correct spot and resize it to fit perfectly, ensuring a professional appearance. Once your signature is perfectly placed, it's time to save and share your document. Simply tap Done in the top left corner of your screen. If you're in the Mail app, you'll be prompted to reply to the email with the signed document attached or create a new message. If you're in the Files app, you can choose to save the file to a new location. Your signed document is now ready to be sent off or stored securely, completing the process in just a few taps. For the best results, consider a few tips. When drawing your signature, ensure you have good lighting and a steady hand for a clean line. It's always a good idea to practice your signature a few times before applying it to the actual document. Don't hesitate to use the zoom feature on your iPhone to precisely place and resize your signature. If you have an Apple Pencil, using it can offer even greater accuracy and control, making your digital signature look truly professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.